Welcome to Cisco Networking Basics course. Course Overview. This course covers the foundation of networking and network devices, media, and protocols. The learner will observe data flowing through a network and basic device configuration to connect to networks. Benefits. Teaching your students basic networking concepts is essential for developing IT skills and prepares them for a wide variety of IT career paths. Explore opportunities in technology. Configure a wireless router and wireless host to connect to the internet. Teach how protocols, devices, and media enable communication on Ethernet networks. Demonstrate how IP addresses enable network communication. Create a simple LAN use application layer services to accomplish real-world tasks. Target audience. Our target audience for this specific course is secondary or vocational school students, college university students, general audience. Estimated time to completion. An estimated time to completion is 25 hours. And we will give you access for 3 months. Prerequisites. As such, there are no prerequisites for this course, as it's a beginner level course. Course delivery, instructor-led or self-paced, both options are available. But it's better to join instructor-led course. Learning component highlights, 17 modules and 13 practice labs, interactive activities, and quizzes. 1 final test. Course recognitions, Cisco certificate, appreciation letter, and digital badge. Certification alignment. This course is part of the Junior Cybersecurity Analyst career path and Network Technician career path, which align to the CCST Cybersecurity and CCST Networking certifications. Recommended next course, Networking Devices and Initial Configuration. Thanks for watching and stay connected for all upcoming videos.